Sport York Metroplex at a steady pace. The hurricane has maximum sustained winds of 205 miles per hour and has left a path of catastrophic damage and loss of human life behind it.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Our Freaking O. So for those who don't know, I'm actually back in Hawaii and been here about a week, and unfortunately this Hurricane Lane is cruising by and hasn't hit our island yet, but I think it's pretty much on its way. So this hurricane is on its way and I really don't have much to do, and I kind of just wanted to do a quick channel update for you guys. I have to go check on my moped because the wind has been crazy and the weather's been really nuts. I just gotta go check on it, make sure it's doing okay. So I guess as I do this channel update, you can just follow along with me as I do that. But yeah, I'm back in Hawaii. I'll be here till December, and I'm hoping to get a few fishing videos in for you guys, but this is all something we'll talk about later. But I really need to go make some breakfast. It's like noon. I've been up for hours and I haven't eaten anything yet, so probably a good idea to go make something. We got our sausage and eggs, we got our coffee, and then right now I'm just whipping up some quick edits. This was the intro for this video that you're watching right now. So yeah, that's the intro. I'm just working on it right now because I came up with a quick idea and I just wanted to do it while I had some time. I think I'll eat really quick and then we'll head down and go check on my moped, and then that's when I'll give you guys a whole channel update and let you guys know what's kind of going on and all that good stuff. So right now we're actually heading to this parking structure where I left my moped at, and we're just gonna check up on it, ride it around, make sure it didn't blow over, I guess. Here is the row where all the mopeds are. I think everyone just basically put their moped in here and hoped for the best. That is Valentino. I think I've officially named him Valentino, just because it is a moped and I thought it was kind of fitting. My brother kind of came up with it first, but I don't know, I just thought it was kind of funny. Alright, so there's one person in here it looks like, but other than that, this parking structure is pretty empty, which is great. I was literally doing those little zigzags over here like all day yesterday. I was probably doing that for like a solid hour or so. I was pretty bored yesterday too because, you know, school was canceled and everything, so we're like, you know, and everything around here is closed as well, so pretty much like all I had to do yesterday was just stay in my room and kind of wait it out and stuff like that, and I was so bored, and eventually I just, around the same time as today, I just kind of came down here and decided like to just go ride my moped around, and I just got this thing running again too, so I wanted to make sure it would start. I figured I should start it like every day and just kind of ride it around. I keep forgetting to put these little mirrors on though. Kind of need those, but that's okay. Just for riding around the parking structure, it's totally fine. But yeah, like I said, there's not that many people around. It's kind of like a ghost town almost. It's really weird. All the stores are closed and everything. So yeah guys, hopefully the lighting in here looks halfway decent. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Back in Hawaii, trying to wait out this hurricane. I'm hoping to get on some fishing pretty soon in the next couple of weeks after I kind of get settled in and get cruising in my classes and stuff like that. So hopefully that'll be in the next couple of weeks. I still have like 2 more videos to post that I recorded back in California for you guys. Those will just be the next like 2 weeks probably. Hopefully I'll start getting on some fishing, especially once it cools off a little bit more. And then I'll be here till like mid-December, then I'll go back to California, and then hopefully I'll get some more fishing videos for you guys. And you know, just bass fishing, typical stuff. While I'm here though, I want to catch some cool fish. You know, I haven't really caught anything that cool here. So hopefully this will be the season where I can catch some cooler fish. I've been working a lot on my website, my Instagram, so if you guys want to click that in the description below, that'd be so cool. I've been working so hard on it. So yeah guys, I guess that's basically the channel update. The hurricane isn't getting too bad yet, but I'm just gonna start editing some videos and stuff like that, and I think I'll just ride this thing around just for a few more minutes, and then I'll pretty much just call it a day. Just kind of want to let you guys know what I was up to, and you know, school's busy, it's hard for me to post, but I try to post as much as I can, and different content too, you know, fishing videos, tips, stuff like that. So I think this is going to conclude the video. Hit that sub button. So thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next episode.